Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best baking mats. You can buy it right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on the type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for the best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Silpat Non-Stick Silicone Baking Mat. You may have heard the name Silpat spoken reverently by both home bakers and professional bakers alike, and for good reason. The Silpat line of silicone baking mats, produced by French company Sauce de Marle Inc., has acquired quite a reputation over the past several decades for its quality and versatility. This particular non-stick silicone baking mat is made from fiberglass mesh and food-grade silicone, which helps it withstand temperatures of up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit and distribute heat evenly, which means your food will not only release easily but also bake evenly. The Silpat baking mat is made of fiberglass mesh and the highest quality food-grade silicone, which provides consistent heat distribution and promotes even baking. Silpat is the original non-stick baking mat and has stood the test of time with use by the most demanding chefs in the world. Silpat mats are microwave safe, oven safe to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, freezer safe, freezable, and dishwasher safe. It's also microwave and freezer safe and comes in several sizes in addition to half sheet, including jelly roll and toaster oven size. You can wash this in the dishwasher, but we recommend hand washing it. In fact, several users say it's easy and quick enough to clean it with soapy water and a sponge. It comes at a higher price tag than some of its competitors, but many say that its versatility and durability make it worth the investment. Number 2. Kitsini Professional Grade Liner Sheets. From the number of positive reviews we came across on the internet, it was easy to tell that these silicone liner sheets from Kitsini are a favorite among online customers. These half sheets are BPA-free and made from 0.75 mm thick food-grade silicone with a fiberglass core, which means you'll get even and consistent baking. Plus, the non-stick surface means there's no greasing required, making cleanup a breeze. These are oven-safe up to 450 degrees, and customers love that they're a versatile, durable alternative to parchment paper. Our silicone sheets provide consistent heat distribution, for an even bake and no soggy bottoms. Kitsini is a small British business bringing professionally styled baking tools and a pinch of happiness into your kitchen with its easy bake oven accessories. These are also available as a 2-pack of macaron baking mats, as well as 3 and 4 packs. With 2 mats costing the price of one from some other brands, these Kitsini sheets are a bargain for the quality. Number 3. Amazon Basics Baking Mat. Considering that you get 3 mats of different sizes for less than $20, this pack of 3 Amazon Basics is one of the most affordable you can find. Plus, they perform just as well as other, more expensive brands. This set includes a 9x13 inch, 9.85 x 14.76 inch, and 16.5 x 11.6 inch nonstick mat that are all oven safe up to 480 degrees. They fit most half-size baking pans, according to several users, although you may have to fold up the edges a bit on the largest one. No need for oil, cooking sprays, or parchment paper. These 2 non-stick silicone baking mats were created to make your life easier in the kitchen. It's baked goods galore when you have these at your disposal. You'll never again have to worry about constantly greasing a pan with oil or spraying it with cooking spray. These mats are strong enough to handle this and more. They're also perfect for cakes, cookie dough, and desserts of all shapes and sizes. They're also dishwasher safe, but note that you may have to fold them to fit on the top rack. Customers rated this set highly for how many uses it has, from baking biscuits to crisping up a pizza to cooking meatloaf, and how easy cleanup is afterward. Number 4. OXO Good Grips Silicone Pastry Mat. Making pastries and baked goods require precision, which means it can be intimidating for many novice bakers. Luckily, OXO Good Grips, with its reputation as a maker of easy-to-use kitchen gadgets, comes to the rescue with this detailed pastry mat. This distinctive-looking non-stick, non-slip mat is made from food-grade silicone, and it both protects your countertop while you're rolling out your dough and provides clear outlines on what the diameter should be, whether you're making pie or pizza. You can also use OXO Good Grips silicone baking mat to replace parchment paper and cut down on cleanup with this reusable non-stick baking surface. Made from food-safe silicone, this fiberglass and silicone construction provides structure, even at high temperatures. It's easy to clean with hot water, or toss it in the dishwasher for some extra cleaning power. The mat also offers unit conversions, ingredient substitutes, and even a border that acts as a ruler, in both metric and imperial measurements. Users love using this mat for pastries and pasta, especially because it stays in place and they don't need to use much flour to prevent their dough from sticking to it. Number 5. Folksy Super Kitchen Baking Mat. At 28 by 20 inches, this extra-large non-slip baking mat by Folksy Super Kitchen makes it a cinch to roll out your pastry dough or fondant to your desired flatness, without making a mess on your counter. Plus, you don't need a ruler because it offers a variety of easy-to-read diameters, in inches, right on the surface. Made of food-safe 0.7 mm silicone that's reinforced with fiberglass, this mat is also durable, meaning it can withstand pressure from pastry cutters, scrapers, or other pastry tools. This product has many qualities that will make this item stand out from the rest of its competition just as it was designed to do. One of which is premium safe silicone, which means it won't react to your food or cause any sort of reaction in any way possible. The premium safe silicone is perfect for those that are a bit on the rough side when it comes down to cleaning their kitchen, and some people know how to handle grease or grease. This cake mat is able to withstand temperatures of up to 470 degrees and can also function as a baking mat, pizza pad, and table mat. It's also dishwasher safe, although it's easy enough to clean simply with soapy water and a sponge or dishcloth. Need an even larger mat? This is also available as a 36 by 24 inch mat.